how to download apps on laptop and PC. So hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So first method is you can search for Microsoft Store, and then you can just type in your software or app you want to install. So let's say the Discord software you want to install or app you want to install. You can directly install it from here by clicking on install from here, and you can also open your web browser and search for Discord from here. And after clicking on Discord, as you can see, this is the official website. You can just click on the download menu of Discord from here, and it will redirect you to the official website of Discord, where you can just simply click on download and download the app from their official website. So that's the possible two method you can use to download and install app on your PC. So that's it for this video. See you on the next one, guys.